It is kind of weird having the two cars so I can reference one against the other when I need to, but it's also very, very useful. We'll put another rusty hubcap through and see what we end up with at the end. Amazingly, all those bolts came out, just like the other side. There we go. And this is in just like the other one, really good shape. First job today, get the doors off. Let's have a look at what's involved in that. Let's finish unscrewing it. Oh, there's no floor. Right, you need to... oh, it's already free of the check strap, so... awesome. That's one door off.